In this lesson, we're going to learn how to add a method descriptor method to our Beaninfo program so that we can get a description of the methods that are part of a Java Bean class. So I've already put the Beaninfo code up on the screen, and I've added an import statement to import java.lang.reflect.method because we're going to need to use the method class in order to get method descriptors. So let's get started. Our method will return a method descriptor array, and the method itself is called getMethodDescriptors. And it immediately launches into a try block. And the first thing we do is we create a class object called CL and assign it the temperature class, temperature.class. That's the file that we get when we compile temperature.java. Next, we're going to create another class object args, which is an array, and it will hold the parameters for our methods. Now in this case, because our methods have no parameters, it's an empty object. So that's why you have the open curly brace and the closed curly brace. But we still need the object args even if it doesn't have anything in it. The next thing we're going to do is create a method object, C to F, that is obtained by calling the getMethod method of our class object CL with the name of the method and our args object. Now, at this point, we're ready to create a method descriptor. So we're going to call that C to F DESC. And here we call the constructor for the method descriptor class with our C to F method. Now, once we've done that, we're set to go, except we want to add a short description to our method descriptor object. So we're going to do that now. And close it up. So now we need to do the same thing for the method F to C. So I'm going to type here and not talk much since it's essentially the same thing we already did. Close it up. Now we're ready to build the method descriptor array. And that consists of our two method descriptor objects, C to F desk and F to C desk, or DESC. And then we return it as the return value of the method. We're in a try catch, so we've got to write the catch part. And here we're just simply going to say exception thrown. And then we need to return null if we don't return the method descriptor array. And with that, we're finished with the definition of the method, getMethodDescriptors, and we're ready to save the file and compile it. And we get a little message telling us we might be using unchecked or unsafe methods, but that's okay. And there's our definition. So now we have a getPropertyDescriptors method and a getMethodDescriptors method, and we're ready to move on to the exercise where we're going to demonstrate how to pull this information out of our Java Bean class.